Introducing the AirDoctor 5500 with an innovative new filter design. Changing filters has never been easier. Our new filter design eliminates guesswork and simplifies installation. With foolproof alignment, setting up your air purifier is quick and frustration-free, saving you time. What are the benefits of this new design? Effortless installation. Simplified setup without maneuvering, ensuring a seamless experience. Peace of mind. Trust in a perfectly sealed system, knowing AirDoctor has you covered. Genuine and patented. Say goodbye to aftermarket filters. Only AirDoctor filters have been independently tested and proven to capture all harmful pollutants. Rest assured, the new design doesn't compromise filter efficiency. Enjoy our patented filter design, perfectly sealed system, quiet whisper jet fans, 3-stage filtration system, touch control panel, and air quality sensor. Breathe easy with AirDoctor 5500, where clean air meets effortless convenience.